Do I also need to control my happy emotions the way I need to control, or I should have a control on my sad, anger, jealousy emotion पे होना चाहिए?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. अगर मान लीजिए बहुत ज्यादा you are always in a happy state, is that possible? First of
No,
all,
that is not possible. But if I'm over excited or over joyful, that is, I believe, okay. Or should I control that? Even
okay,
that.
so now there are three layers. तीन नेचार है. One is pleasure, one is joy, one is happiness, and one is bliss.
Okay.
So pleasure जो होता है वो when I engage with sensual activities,
Okay.
वहाँ पे मुझे आया pleasure and then खत्म, you know.
Okay.
That is temporary, that is short lived. My emotion, my chemicals are adrenaline, noradrenaline. उसके बाद आता है joy कैसा, you know, you meet a friend, there's a child which you engage with, तो simple अच्छा सा serotonin, milder chemicals are formed, but again it cannot be perpetually lived.
Right.
Then comes happiness, a little bit of serotonin, a little bit of dopamine as well. Happiness is what, okay, you got a promotion, you know, you got the partner of your choice, shadi kuch time pe, at that time it is happiness, slightly longer lived. But again, there will be due issues which will come, and then happiness will also go down, and then the last stage is bliss. Bliss एक ही है जिसमें anandamide and so many other chemicals are formed, which will be actually circuit में ऐसा बैठ जाता है कि which can be perpetual, and that's why good old ages में जो rishis वगैरह they were not happy. They were in bliss.
Yes.
So there is a difference between that. So anything which in the brain goes up as a state comes down. ये जो पूरा खेल है ना, lie right now, whatever you see, I want to engage in a job, I want to have such a relationship, I want to go ahead and visit this country, I want to smoke weed, I want to smoke, I want to drink, I want to do this and all. It's only alleviation or depression of the states that the brain is wanting. ब्रेन को एक स्टेट में रहना पसंद ही नहीं है. Until and unless that becomes bliss. The day it becomes bliss, it does not matter, because then the entire wiring is completely a different wiring. उनके ब्रेन में केवल गामा होता है. It's a hyper connected network of the brain which is there. All the ups and downs of the chemicals are perpetually destroyed. There's no ups and downs which is happening. The situations are happening, but you are not a part of that situation. So technically you are observing, you are a witness to what is happening. सुख दुख ऊपर नीचे जाते हैं, लेकिन जब आनंद, जो सच्चित आनंद, what we talk of our core being and core essence, the bliss, उसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Bliss is a state.
It's a state which is a permanent state. Then it really does not matter all the ups and downs, because the chemicals in that are sort of consolidated chemicals. They don't go up and down. They don't go up and down. So it's a very interesting chemical array of things also which happens, you know.
क्या हम अपने ब्रेन को इस तरह से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं कि हम किसी भी इमोशन में हो और उसको हम कन्वर्ट कर दे स्टेप बाय स्टेप और एक ब्लिसफुल स्टेट में चले जाए? Is it practically possible?
100% practically possible.
How?
We have mapped certain people who are in that state perpetually, जिनके ब्रेन पूरे गामा में बीट करते हैं. The entire coherence is in gamma. So many difficult situations come into their life, but it does not bother them. Their state, their peace, their bliss, I won't call it happiness because it is bliss. Yeah. So it is not disturbed. It is right there where it is. So we have enough examples, and these are mostly chronic meditators. Okay. These are mostly practitioners of prayers of one or other types. These are really serious spiritual seekers. So कहीं ना कहीं that state is possible to go, but हमारे ये जो मैंने बताया ना, 99% of the people opted to think either health, wealth और relationship. चौथा एक 1.5% थे जो बोल रहे थे spiritual evolution. है ही नहीं है. We are not intending to have that, so which is okay. And so, but still, understanding happiness and pleasure is very, very important. Otherwise, you know, we keep seeking only pleasure, up, down, up, down, up, down, और हम बस ऊपर नीचे होते रहते हैं.
Actually, अभी I think most of us are in the pursuit of pleasure.
Only.
And our race stops there.
Only.
We reach to a stage wherein we are getting pleasure, we come back and then we go to pleasure and then we come back and we feel that this is it. This is what we
pleasure
want.
भी wrong नहीं है. I don't say that not to have pleasure. It's okay. But to get attached to that pleasure. Yeah. एक बार आपने 2 स्मोक कर लिए, फिर उसमें प्लेजर आ गया, फिर आपने 4 कर लिया, फिर आपने 8 कर लिया. The root cause of addiction is that pleasure. Not able to dissociate from that. Not able to detach. Social media का addiction ले लो, porn का addiction ले लो. जो भी addiction की हम जो भी बात करते हैं is because we are stuck into that pleasure loop. Because our brain has never tasted what is happiness. Because you have never come out of it and say that, you know, this is happiness.
It is like कि अगर कोई रोज चिप्स खाता है, रोज वेफर्स खाता है, उसको वो प्लेजर मिलता रहता है. बट वंस समबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स कि नहीं, मुझे अगर हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो करके, थोड़ी मेहनत करके, थोड़ा अपने पे काम करके, कंसिस्टेंसी डिसिप्लिन के साथ जब मैं फिट हो जाऊंगा, तो जो मुझे मिलेगा वो हैप्पीनेस और कंटेंटमेंट होगी, विच विल बी अबव जस्ट द प्लेजर.
उसको वहां पे टेस्ट अभी तक नहीं
नहीं
तो
है.
उसको लग रहा है कि जी यही एवरीथिंग इज दिस, इतना ही अच्छा
काफी
है. लेकिन इतने अच्छे में दुख भी तो है.
Exactly.
इतने अच्छे में प्रॉब्लम्स भी तो है. इतने अच्छे में कौन से एडिक्शन वाले बंदे को आप बोलोगे जी हाँ एडिक्शन, उसके लिए एडिक्शन तो बहुत अच्छा रहा. किसी के लिए एडिक्शन अच्छा होगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज यू विल एग्जॉस्ट ऑल योर केमिकल्स, योर सर्किट्स विल बी फायर्ड completely, your health will be totally gone, your relationships will be gone. People who are addicted will have so many problems in the relationships as well. तो कुछ तो रहा नहीं, just because of that pursuit of that quick win, you know, that cheap
Small
dopamine. I
wins,
call it the
yeah.
cheap dopamine.
Right.
In that then you can't there's nothing which can happen.
अभी यू आर इन द फेज कि आपको अदरक का स्वाद पता ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल, बस वही है.
और एक बार पता चल जाएगा तो फिर यू विल नॉट सेटल फॉर लेस.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा दिस इज रियल हैप्पीनेस.
लेकिन हम क्या कहते थे, वो अंगूर खट्टे हैं तो मुझे काम ही नहीं करना है उस पे. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट वांट टू टेक दैट स्टेप, एंड वेरी फ्यू पीपल
बिकॉज दैट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ करेज एंड हार्ड वर्क.
सर्टन टाइम्स इनिशियल, अब जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाई तुम्हें जो रोज की रूटीन रिचुअल करने हैं वो करने ही है. उसको कौन से सक्सेसफुल पर्सन ने ऐसा कहा है कि जी सक्सेस तो ना मुझे ऐसे ही आ गया? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. और रोजमर्रा की लाइफ में भी अगर हम ये प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर देते हैं ना, द इंटरनल फीलिंग विल बी अ वेरी डिफरेंट फीलिंग.
Right.
So it is worth pursuing. It is something which not just कि हमें मुझे because successful बनना है, peak performer बनना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. Not just for external materialistic pleasures also.
Okay.
But for that internal sense of fulfillment, sense of being also, it is very important.